okay. Up. Today is January 29, year 2025. It's Chinese New Year and Wednesday. We are here at the UP. Dami namin ngayon, no? Okay, teka, I will scan all your face para you will appreciate your face after 20 years. Okay, okay, I'm going to scan it. Okay, una, yung mga modeler muna, kayo muna, yung mukha ninyo ayan. Yan, kita ninyo.
Susunod naman mga model.
Ma-appreciate mo yung during baladas 20 years ago o 18 years ago. Okay, ito bagong RC ni Melo, ayan. Oh, mga helicopter naman. Yan. Di ba? After 20 years, sabi mo, ay, siguro mga turbine na to. After 20 years, baka kids toy na lang yan. Di ba? Okay.
Ano tawag dyan? UP Sub Heli Club.
Okay. That's about it. Thank you.